Top 10 Japanese Classic Cars to Collect. Covering the Japanese car industry's impact on automotive history requires more than a single chapter. From its humble beginnings to global prominence, Japan's influence on the auto world is profound, warranting multiple chapters. This includes the creation of iconic Japanese car models that have left a lasting mark on roads worldwide. So in this video, we'll tell you about the top 10 Japanese classic cars to collect, so stay tuned till the end. But before starting, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And now, let's get started. 10. Toyota Celica, 1971 to 2006. The Toyota Celica, introduced in 1970, provided a more affordable alternative to the pricey 2000 GT, showcasing Toyota's prowess in performance vehicles. Spanning 7 generations over 36 years until its discontinuation in 2006, the Celica offered enthusiasts a Japanese-built sports coupe experience without the hefty price tag. Despite its absence from the market, the Celica maintains a strong following among car enthusiasts, with speculation about its potential return always lingering. 9. Honda S500, 1963 to 1964. Honda, once synonymous with motorcycles, debuted its first sports car, the Honda S500, in 1963. Available as a convertible or coupe, it marked the company's entry into passenger cars. Powered by a 531-kicked inline-4 engine with 44 horsepower, it set the stage for Honda's future roadsters. The S600, introduced a year later, boasted a high-revving engine with a 9,500 RPM redline, showcasing Honda's motorcycle heritage with a chain-driven rear axle. With its striking design and advanced technology, the S500 proved Honda's capability in the car market. Rarity adds to its allure, with only about 1,360 examples produced, making sightings on the used car market scarce. 8. Mitsubishi Pajero, 1983 to 2021. Since 1981, Mitsubishi's Pajero has been a significant player in the off-road scene alongside Toyota's Land Cruiser. While the Pajero now offers a more budget-friendly alternative, its legacy shines in Rally Dakar victories. Available in 5-door or 3-door versions, it boasted standard 4x4 capabilities and a range of petrol and diesel engine options. The top-tier variant even shared an engine with the Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Mitsubishi's collaboration with Chrysler led to the Pajero being sold in the US as the Dodge Raider. Despite its various iterations and partnerships, the rugged Japanese SUV paved the way for Mitsubishi's lineup of durable off-roaders, including the iconic Pajero Evolution. 7. Subaru Leon, 1972 to 1994. Subaru gained fame with rally icons like the Legacy and Impreza, but also ventured into sports coupes. Launched in 1971, the Leon, spanning 3 generations, offered optional 4-wheel drive and flat-4 engines. The early models even had a pickup variant, the BRAT. In 1980, the 3rd-gen Leon marked Subaru's WRC debut under Noriyuki Koseki's leadership, laying the groundwork for Subaru Technica International, STI. Later, the Legacy and Impreza STI took over rallying. Despite its historical significance, the Leon is now relatively affordable compared to its renowned rally siblings. 6. Mitsubishi Colt Gallant GTO, 1970 to 1977. The Gallant debuted in 1969, known for Mitsubishi's luxury sedans. In 1970, the Gallant GTO emerged as their first Grand Tourer, dubbed Gran Turismo Homologado. It's a rare variant of the Colt Gallant models and served as a homologation special for racing. Styled like American muscle cars, it featured inline-4 engines from 1.6 to 2.0 liters. The top-tier Missar Edition boasted a 4G52 engine with 125 horsepower. Despite minimal marketing outside Japan, the GTO is highly sought after there, commanding high prices. Few are found stateside, where they're relatively affordable. 5. Toyota Supra A70, 1987 to 1992. The Supra debuted as its own model in 1986 after being a souped-up Celica. The A70 generation split from the Celica, introducing Toyota's sports car flagship. While not the first with a turbo or inline-6, it debuted the 1JZ GTE engine. The 7M GTE, precursor to the 2JZ GTE, had tuning potential but required upgrades for reliability. It also introduced ignition coils to Toyota's inline-six engines. Despite living in the MK4 Super's shadow, the S70 is gaining recognition. It lacks the MK4's 2JZ engine, but offers significant tuning potential. MK3 examples are currently more affordable, but demand is rising, so consider getting one soon. 4. Mazda RX-3, 1971 to 1978. Mazda's flagship sports cars stood out for their rotary engines, offering unique driving dynamics, focused on lightness and balance over high-tech features. The RX-3, known as the Savannah in Japan, earned the nickname the Rotary Rocket for its speed, and ended the Heikosuka Skyline GTR's motorsport dominance. Its success laid the groundwork for future Mazda rotary sports cars like the RX-7. Despite emerging during the oil crisis, the RX-3's lightweight design made it a track champion and a valuable collectible due to its rotary engine. 3. Mitsubishi Starion, 1982 to 1989. Badge engineering, where vehicles are rebranded, dates back to 1917, but became prominent from the 1970s to 2000s, notably by Japanese automakers circumventing U.S. import restrictions. The Mitsubishi Starion exemplifies this, originating from a Chrysler-Mitsubishi collaboration called Diamond Star Motors (DSM), sold as the Plymouth/Dodge Conquest. The Starion featured turbocharged engines with up to 197 horsepower, rivaling the Porsche 924. Its name's origin remains uncertain. 2. Nissan Skyline GT-R R32, 1989 to 1994. The Nissan Skyline GT-R, particularly the R32 model, dominated motorsports to the extent of being banned for its superiority, earning it the moniker Godzilla. Introducing revolutionary technology like the ATTESA ETS all-wheel drive system and the potent RB26 DTT engine, the R32 set the standard for future GTRs. Its success led to the creation of the Australian V8 Supercar Racing Series, deliberately excluding the GTR. Even today, the Nissan GTR remains a legendary and highly modifiable car, tracing its roots back to the iconic 1989 Skyline R32. Many enthusiasts hail the R32 as the greatest performance car ever built. 1. Mazda MX-5, 1990 to 2023. The Mazda MX-5 Miata is now considered a classic car, though it's been a classic for a while. It's a great example of how the Japanese took a winning formula and perfected it. While Britain is known as the birthplace of lightweight sports cars, they weren't always reliable. In 1989, Mazda revamped this idea, creating a popular and affordable sports car. By the end of 1990, they'd made over 150,000 of them. Even after 5 generations, the Miata still sticks to its roots of being simple and lightweight. Its success also inspired other car makers to follow suit, creating their own lightweight convertibles like the BMW Z3 and Mercedes SLK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.